What's up everyone? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. We are back again in the garage and we got some pretty cool parts from Vette-Lights. Cole was nice enough to send me some more stuff over, so we're gonna get these parts unboxed and we're gonna get on with today's video. Alright guys, we're here in the engine bay of the C5, gonna unbox this stuff. I already cracked it open, but let's see what we got, man. Of course we got Vette-Lights. Huge shout out to Cole at Vette-Lights. He's the owner, and he said your guys' response with my discount code that I told y'all about, C5Zach, he said y'all have been doing an amazing job at utilizing my, get y'all in the video here. He said y'all have been doing an amazing job at using my discount code, and so we were talking and he was like, yeah man, let me send you some more parts to review and stuff, install, throw in the car, and just keep using my discount code, man. It really helps me out, helps Cole out, helps everyone out, helps you guys out too. It's 10% off, so you might as well. Like I said, C5Zach, it's going to be in the description below, but 10% off anything at Vette-Lights.com. And he has some really cool lighting. If you guys saw my last video, or one of my last videos, we did the corner lights and the rear side markers, the lasers. Those are freaking sweet. Check that video out if you haven't already. But huge shout out to Cole at Vette-Lights. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it, man. So let's get on with this unboxing. Getting freaking peanuts all in my engine bay. But first thing up we got is the laser LED third brake light. This thing's gonna be sweet. So let's check it out. See what she's looking like. So this is the laser third brake light from Vette-Lights. I went with red, and I'll tell you guys why here in a minute, but I'm guessing it has some cool animations like the side markers as well. We got our little switch here to turn those on and off. So we'll check this out. This thing will look really cool. I'm stoked for that. Comes with a little resistor too, it looks like. Very nice. Moving on to what I'm super excited about, man. We got the, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, infrared, I believe. Let me fix this up so I don't get peanuts all over the place. All right, man, so right here we got the infrared infinity taillights. These things are gonna look freaking badass, dude. I'm so excited for these. These are gonna look great. I've been seeing them on other people's cars and they look really good. I'm excited to see them in person. I believe there's different modes you can have as well, it looks like, which is really cool. So yeah, man, I'm really excited to get these on the car. He also sent us over some more sunglasses, which are freaking awesome. I love these things. I actually wear them pretty often. My other pair that he sent me, they're actually pretty good. The polarization is nice on them, and a cool little lanyard as well. Thank you, Cole. And we got another package here, but this is going to be for the next video, so y'all have to stay tuned for that as well. Without further ado, man, let's get these lights unboxed and revealed to you. Well, there we go, guys. There's the new infinity taillights from Vette-Lights. They also came with instructions as well. There's 3 different modes. I'll walk you guys through everything. But I also wanted to tell you guys why I went with red. So my current taillights are smoked halos from, I believe, Corvette Envy. I've had these for like 4 years now. And they still work, nothing wrong with them. But obviously, you know, you always want to upgrade stuff, and you guys know how it is. And I think the full halo ring will look cool too. But so I went with red because in the future, if I want to smoke them, I can just simply smoke them like these are that are currently on my car. These are actually red. I just vinyl wrap them pretty much black over red. And so I got all red for these in case I want to do the same thing, and you know, that way if I get tired of the smoked one day, I can go back to red, and you know, vice versa. So that's why I went with the red along with the third brake light as well. I'm probably gonna tint them really soon. Yeah, we'll see how the red looks, and if I'm not the biggest fan of it, I'll tint them. If I like it, then, you know, can always tint them in the future. So that was my train of thought with getting the red. So let me know what you guys think. If you like the red, but we're gonna get these thrown on the car, man. It should be pretty simple. There's a couple different modes, like I said, that we gotta figure out, see what I like best. But besides that, it should just be T15, 2 screws on each taillight, and we'll get these old ones out, get the new ones in. I'm also considering doing a giveaway of my old taillights. Let me know if you guys would like to be a part of that. If I get enough responses, I'll probably do it. I probably wouldn't even do a paid entry. I was thinking of just doing, you know, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Let me know your thoughts, or if you'd like to do a paid, we could do, you know, like 10, 20 bucks a spot. Let me know what you guys think if you want to win my old set of taillights. They work perfect, nothing wrong with them. I'll show you guys what they look like. And like I said, they're tinted right now. It's just a wrap, so it comes right off, and they're red underneath. But if we get enough feedback on that, I'll do one of those options, whatever you guys think. If not, I'll probably just sell them on Facebook Marketplace or whatever. So I'll show you guys those. We'll get them taken off, and then we'll get these freaking new ones on. They're gonna look sweet. Alright, so now that you guys have seen my old taillights, we're going to take them off. It's just 2 T15 screws on each taillight if you haven't done it before. Super easy. And we're going to pop these out, get the new ones in, and I'll walk you guys through the modes and, you know, what it's going to look like. Alright, as you guys saw, taillights are out, super easy to do. And before I forget, I'm actually going to change out this third brake light as well. Almost forgot about it before I put the taillights in. It'll be easy to do now that everything's out. And if I remember correctly, it should be 2 10mm bolts, or 2 10mm nuts holding to the back of like a stud on the light itself. So let's get that removed and we'll get the new one in and see what that looks like. Alright guys, we got our third brake light in. As you can see, it's actually a 7mm screw that goes into it. And it also has a sequential function, which I turned on, so when I hit the brakes, it should flash rapidly, like 5 times. And, you know, I think I'm gonna leave it that way because I want to get people's attention when I'm stopping. People don't pay attention, so hopefully that helps a little bit. But you can turn that on and off if you would like. So moving in with the taillight install, I actually just realized these don't even screw in or anything. These just have 4 clips that clip into your housing gear, which is pretty sweet. Nice seamless look, no screws, no screw holes. And so that's pretty cool. I just realized that. It should be pretty simple, but we'll go over our modes here in a second once I get it plugged in. But so just like your normal taillights, just plug it in here to your socket. And you want the black wire on the harness lined up with the black wire on your actual taillight harness. And then it'll just turn into place. And bam, it's locked in, watertight. Nothing's getting in there. All right, let's test it now and go over the modes. So we got, damn, that's bright. As you can see, it's on now. We got the full halo and infinity feature rocking right now. I think this is just, let's see what mode. This is mode 2 currently. That looks freaking sweet, man. It's really bright in person. Damn. All right, so to go over this with you guys real quick, you have a switch here for your driver's side or passenger side. And, you know, you just pick whichever side the taillight's on, which is pretty cool. So for this, we're going to pick passenger side. Then you have your 3 different modes right here. Your red or amber for the turn signal, which this is what the yellow wire's for. If you're a European car, you can wire this in. You'll have amber turn signals. Or, you know, if you're in America, you can do it as well, but you don't have to. So we're going to rock the red turn signals, not going to connect this. And then we have standard or sequential for the turn signal itself. I think I'm going to rock sequential. I think it'll be pretty cool and a nice little feature. All right, so we got mode 1, which is a dotted center afterburner infinity feature. And then we got the solid outer halo. That actually looks really cool. Camera's picking it up well. And I like that one, that looks pretty cool. So that's mode 1. Mode 2 is gonna be a solid center. As you can see, the solid rings, none of the dots with the halo as well, full halo, pretty cool as well. And then we got mode 3, which is just your halo ring, no infinity feature. This is really clean as well, honestly. I like that. But these things are freaking bright, man. I'm honestly very impressed. I did not expect them to be this bright. My old taillights were definitely not this bright. I don't know which one I want to rock, honestly. Huh. Might do the dotted for now, honestly. That's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, so now that I got my settings how I want them, we're gonna install this. So all you do is you press in on the top first, and then you'll press in on the bottom, and that'll get these clips into place. You want to be careful though. You don't want to press on the bottom first. So we'll press on the top here. Heard it click in. Bam, that's it. That's really easy, honestly. That's awesome. Looks super clean too. I love that. Guys, these things are freaking crazy. They're literally blinding me. They're so damn bright. I'm not even kidding you. My eyes hurt from freaking looking at them. But they're so cool. They look really good in person. I love how they look. Not even lying to you. They're awesome. I'm rocking the mode 1, which is like the dotted infinity feature. I think it's pretty cool. And it's super easy to, you know, change it. As I showed you guys, it's just a toggle switch. So rock whatever mode you like. And it's apparently it's pretty easy to take out the taillights too. You just have to remove the center section of your license plate housing here. And so you can reach up in there behind there. And it actually comes with these little plastic clips, as you can see, which will slide over those metal clips that clip it into place. These will slide over that. Then you can pop them out that way. I believe you just got to do the top too to pop the taillights out if you need to for any reason. But they're freaking awesome. I love these things. Get you guys a set below. use code C5ZAC for 10% off anything on the website. But these taillights are awesome. I love them. Let's do a proper reveal for you guys, see what they look like, make sure everything works. We'll test the third brake light as well. That's gonna look pretty sweet. So let's see how everything looks, and you know, we'll get this cleaned up. Well guys, these things look freaking amazing. I absolutely love them. Seriously, thank you Cole at Vette-Lights for sending these over. Love them, love them, love them. Great quality. Everything is really nice and simple to install and figure out, you know. So let me know down in the comments below if you guys like them. I'll get some better shots at night as well, but they look freaking amazing. I love these things. Honestly, they're super bright in person, like I said. So you know, people will see you on the road even if you tint them. So I don't think you can go wrong. Like I said, use my code C5ZAC for 10% off at Vette-Lights. And let me know what you guys think of the lights, which mode you're rocking if you have these lights. Kind of like the dotted infinity effect, but you know, like I said, it's super easy to switch it up. Let me know what you guys are using. And I think for the third brake light, the sequential feature, I think I might have flipped it off instead of on. So in the B-roll, as you guys seen, it didn't do the flashing, so I think that was user error. I don't think I flipped the switch right, so I'll have to go back and redo that, but it's okay. I think I'm gonna tint these anyways, so you know, make a video on that if I do that. But appreciate y'all for watching, man. Thanks again to Vette-Lights and Cole. Super awesome company. Check them out. Tell them I sent you. Yeah, make sure y'all subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. We have some cool interior stuff to do, so I'm gonna leave it at that, man. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.